want to look at addition and subtraction of length. Addition and subtraction of length. Add 1 meter 85 centimeter to 1 meter 23 centimeter. We want to add 1 meter 85 centimeter and 1 meter 23 centimeter. So what we will do is we'll add the centimeter together, 85 plus 23. You can add that yourself. What does that give you? 108. If I add 85 to 23, it will give us 108. But we say that 100 centimeter make 1 meter. So because 100 centimeter makes 1 meter, the answer you have on this centimeter part should not be greater than 100. So we'll subtract 108 minus 100, it will give us 8. So we have here as 08 to represent 8 centimeter. Now, the 100 cm we removed from 108 is the same thing as 1 meter, and so we add 1 meter to 1 meter to give us 2 meters, and 2 plus 1 will give us 3. So that the answer to this question is 3 meters 8 centimeter. Remember again, when you are adding length, your answer on this centimeter part must be less than 100, because 100 centimeter is the same thing as 1 meter. So when we added this, we had 108. All we need to do is to remove 100 centimeter until we have the answer less than 100. And we have 8 remaining, and the 100 centimeter we removed is the same thing as 1 meter. So when we add all of them together, we have 3 meters here. So our final answer, as you can see, when we add this to this, gives us 3 meters 8 centimeters. Now, you can use these 2 questions to practice. The first one says, add 13 meters 14 cm to 7 meters 86 cm. So again, you start by adding the centimeter parts together, making sure your answer is less than 100. If it's 100, you subtract 100. If it's greater than 100, you subtract 100. How many times you subtract 100 until you have your answer less than 100 will now become the meter part. So we'll just take the value there and add to the meter part. Remember, 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. So you do the same thing to subtract. We are subtracting 3 meters 67 centimeter from 6 meters 35 cm. If I want to subtract 35 from 67, I know that 35 is smaller, so I'm going to borrow from the meter part. And if I do that, I borrow 1 from the meter part, it becomes 100 when I take it to the centimeter part. So you can go ahead and try these 2 questions and see the answer that you will get. I'll see you again in our next lesson. Until then, keep practicing, keep studying. Thank you.